Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to adjust the height of your website's footer menu in the standard Divi footer by modifying its padding settings. Customizing the top and bottom padding is a simple yet effective way to enhance your footer's appearance and improve navigation. Let's dive in. To adjust the height of your footer menu in the standard Divi footer, you can use the Divi Booster plugin. This method allows you to set custom values for the top and bottom padding without needing to write any code. Divi Booster's built-in footer menu padding settings make it quick and easy to create a well-proportioned footer menu that blends seamlessly with your site's design. Let's explore how this works. To access the footer menu padding settings in Divi Booster, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the Divi menu in the sidebar and click on Divi Booster. Once you're on the Settings page, locate the Footer panel and click to expand it. Inside, you'll see a sub-panel labeled Footer Menu. When you open this, you'll find the options to adjust the footer menu padding settings. This is where you can customize the spacing for your footer menu. Once you're in the footer menu settings within Divi Booster, the first step is to enable the footer menu padding option by ticking its box. After that, you'll see fields where you can set the top and bottom padding values. For instance, you could enter 40 pixels for both to evenly space the area above and below your footer menu links. These values can be adjusted to fit the specific look you're going for. Once you've entered your preferred padding values, don't forget to click the Save Changes button at the top of the Divi Booster page. This will apply your updates. Next, head over to your site's homepage and scroll down to the footer. Here, you'll see your changes in action. The updated padding should give your footer menu a taller, more spacious appearance, enhancing both its style and readability. Another way to customize the height of your footer menu in the standard Divi footer is by using CSS. This approach allows you to set specific top and bottom padding values for a more tailored look. By adding custom CSS, you can adjust the footer menu's appearance without the need for additional plugins. Let's take a closer look at how this works. To add custom CSS for adjusting your footer menu height in Divi, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the Divi menu and select Theme Options. Once you're on the Theme Options page, scroll down to the Custom CSS section near the bottom. In the Custom CSS box, you'll paste a small snippet of code. This code allows you to define the top and bottom padding for your footer menu. For example, you can set both to 20 pixels to achieve a balanced look. The exact code snippet can be found in the accompanying post. After you've added the code, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your new padding values are applied to your footer menu. Once you've added your custom CSS and set the desired padding values, make sure to click the Save Changes button below the CSS field. This will apply your updates. To see the results, head back to your site's homepage and scroll down to the footer. You should now notice your updated padding reflected in the footer menu, giving it a taller, more spacious appearance. This adjustment can make your footer menu not only better looking, but also easier to navigate. And that's it. Adjusting the footer menu height in Divi is both quick and straightforward. Whether you choose to use Divi Booster's user-friendly settings or apply a bit of custom CSS, you can effortlessly create a well-balanced and visually appealing footer menu. Pick the method that works best for you and enjoy a footer design that enhances your site's navigation and overall look.